Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install a credit card reader with Lightspeed step by step clearly. Begin by gathering all necessary equipment for the installation. Ensure you have your Lightspeed account information ready. Unpack the credit card reader and its components. Connect the credit card reader to a power source if required. Next, locate the USB or Ethernet port on your Lightspeed terminal. Plug the credit card reader's cable into the appropriate port. Power on the credit card reader. Log into your Lightspeed account on the terminal. Navigate to the Settings or Hardware section of the application. Select the option to add a new payment device. Choose your specific credit card reader model from the list. Follow the prompts to connect the reader to your account. Test the connection by processing a small transaction. Observe any indicator lights on the credit card reader for confirmation. If needed, adjust the settings based on your preferences. Complete the setup by ensuring all configurations are saved. Your credit card reader is now installed and ready for use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.